Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? Yes, I have a video to share with us. I've seen a lot of videos and posts from Twitter and Facebook trending around about Yoruba people trying to discredit Igbos people because of what is going on in Lagos State. Some of them are focusing their attention on Igbos, forgetting the issue at hand, which is the Fulanis people invading their hometown, just like they're invading other people's hometown as well. But it's unfortunate that the Yoruba channels their energies in against Igbos, trying to discredit the effort of Igbos. Some of them keep on saying that Aband0ned or whatever they call the man, he is the one that gave Igbos the alphabet to write Igbo language. The fact they are the one that made the Igbo people and all that. They have a lot of history, against Igbo in origin. In Nigeria, Igbo people keep on facing this kind of issues. A few months ago, a lady from Benin City also came out with with her own propaganda as well against the Igbos. It is allowed. You have your freedom of speech. You can say whatever you want to say, but when it comes to people's life, you need to be careful what you say and what you do, because a lot of things is going on in the country. People are facing hunger and issues of politics and all that. People are losing their businesses based on what is going on in Lagos State. Igbo people are the victims, but when you complain, the Yoruba people will still come out and tell you that the Igbos are crying victims of what is happening in Nigeria, which is very, very unfortunate, because it is obvious that it's not done. It does nothing to fake here. Everybody knows that Igbos are the one facing the issue. So you now telling us that Igbos are crying victims and all that, it is laughable. Now, the news have it that in Ogun State, villagers have been sacked by the Fulani terrorist group and all that. But Yoruba youth on Twitter channeling their energy on Igbos, trying to do one or two posts and videos against Igbo people and all that. I still don't understand the anger and the hatred where it's coming from, because it seems like they have it a lot against the Igbos. Even the Fulani that are dealing with them, they don't make such posts, they don't make such comments against them. In fact, they're in love with them, probably because of the religion or anything, as such. Now, just watch this post. See this post here. You understand what I'm saying? This is a Yoruba person trying to, come after Igbo people. Let us read this post. So his post said, I challenge our indie developer neighbors to provide a video achieve of them, instead of achievement, he said achieve of them in 1920, a video of them not in the bush as at 1920. While we wait on their video, let's continue. Amodu Tijani, the Oluwa of Lagos, London in 1920 during a wedding ceremony between Babo James and Terr0ri. Both Oluwa and Herbert Macaulay had traveled to London to fight the famous Oluwa Apapa land case at Privy Council. Amodu Tijani was an Idijo chief who controlled a series of villages and towns in the Lagos area. He held strong nationalist views. This is the post, and the post continued because he's trying to prove that Yorubas are all in all, that Igbos are still in the bush as of 1920s, and he trying to show he attached a video and a picture of Herbert Macaulay in London during this time. Then according to his history, Igbos are still in the bush. Now let's continue. Arguing that the British colony government had no authority to interfere with the Obas, ruler of Lagos. In 1920s, Oluwa and the Nigerian nationalist Herbert Macaulay visited a previous council in London to defend the Oba's right of ownership to land appropriated by the British government. Ahmadu had challenged the compulsory possession without compensation of his family land in Apapa. He lost his appeal at the Supreme Court and took the case to the previous Council in London. The council ruled in their favor. This case proved to be a landmark in Nigerian history as it is recognized the chiefs as absolute owner of the land. Background Index: Tunde King and his group Oba Oyebo in 1930s have posed this challenge to them before. Till this day can't find anything to post, so I am putting the challenge out to them again now that there are many on my page. He's addressing Indibo. What he's trying to say here is the Yorubas and their great grandfather Aband0ned and all these people that he mentioned here are, they are educated, they are achievers, they acquire this, they acquire that, they are civilized and all that. Nobody is saying that Yoruba people have not achieved anything. That is not the issue. The issue is that he don't even understand what is going on. He don't care to talk about the problem at hand, which is a Fulani government and Fulani herdsmen pushing their people down to southwest, pushing their people down to Yoruba land, taking the land in hostage. This is Yoruba people reacting and complaining about the invasion of Fulani in their homeland, sacking villagers, pushing them away. Now, I would like you to understand that the issue Yoruba are having now is not caused by Igbos. Actually, it's being caused by Fulanis. But they don't talk about Fulanis. All the focus of some of this guy, like this guy you are seeing here, is all about Igbos. Now, this is a post that a Yoruba man made. Just watch this. Just let us read this. Watch it. Where can Nigerians get AK-47, 50 caliber sniper, and GPMG, as well as shoulder-fired RPGs? It is time to start arming up. No need to ask anyone's permission to defend yourself. Ondo State is being overrun by Fulani terrorists right now. If you have weapons, links, let us know. This is what a Yoruba person is reacting. These are people these are probably one of the victims who knows the pains of the activities of Fulanis in the Yoruba land. As you can see here, this one is a evangelist. He's a Yoruba also, Jaiba Oluwaso or Oluwasi, something like that. Now he says, "Sir, something is going on something is going on in Ogun State, and nobody is talking about it. The Fulani has been terrorizing so many villages here to abandon their homes and everything they have. The worst thing is that the villagers are the one that the police are arresting. That means after being attacked by Fulanis, villagers will be the victim of Nigerian police. They tell them to go after the terrorists. They are going after the villagers. And this guy who called himself Nonsense, and he's truly posting and writing and attacking Igbos, nonsensical posts that he's making on Twitter and Facebook. Not only him, the reason why I pinpoint on him is because he is the architect of the whole thing in terms of making all his posts against Igbos without reacting or responding to Fulanis. Do you know the worst part of it? Is that when Igbo people comes after him, trying to explain to him that, look, we are not your problem, these Fulanis are doing this, Fulanis are doing that. The way he justified it is that, yes, Fulani are not only after Igbos, as if that will solve your problem. Igbos have their ways of defending themselves. What are you, as a Yorubas, what are you doing to defend yourself? And even their national news, the news that are being owned by Yorubas, are carrying the news of the activities of Fulanis in Yoruba land. But some of those youths from Yoruba land who have hell-bent in attacking Igbos for no just reason, probably because of what their father told them or something like that, they keep on, saying things that they can't even, justify. Here is a post from, this is, I think, MSN News. Villagers flee as pious herdsmen defy Amoteku and attacks Ondo communities. This is in Yoruba land, not, and it's not being done by Igbos. And you wonder what could be the offense of Igbos for them to have that kind of hatred on Igbos. I don't know. Is it what do they have any history that we don't have about? Maybe what have Igbos? I keep on. If you have anything against Igbos, like maybe the offend Igbos in the past, please share it so that we Igbos we understand what our forefathers have done that made you to have this kind of hatred that you have on us. Because I don't see the reason why you are a friend of someone who is buying everybody in your villages, and you turn blind eyes on the person and focus on the Igbos. Here is another news from Punch News. Villagers flee as bandits overwhelm Amoteku in parts of Ondo. Overwhelming means they conquered and defeated Amoteku. It doesn't uh, show any concern to these Yorubas youth that are focusing on Igbos. All their posts and everything is on Igbo, 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 Igbo. So help me share this video so that Yorubas, when those that are making, those that are, some of them that are sensible, we understand what is going on and mind the way their problem and leave Igbos alone. Even if you hate Igbos, no problem. But for you to abandon those who are buying you and focus on Igbos is laughable. Yes, Fulanis are on our places. They have attacked us, but we know how we are dealing with it. So don't think or don't use our own activities with Fulanis to compare yours. It could be remarkably different. You may not understand. What you don't know is bigger than you. Thank you for watching the video. See you on my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Like the video. We are going to be bringing you videos and current events often. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye bye, guys. Take care.